This is my best version of drawing an ant. I am not an artist. I am.
You are a
It's about being kind, about saying something positive. I heard one person say, wow, that's really good. Thank you very much. And then I heard a couple people say, that's not very good. No, thank you very much, but I won't take it personally. This is my best version of an ant called automatic negative thoughts. Now, if any of your parents are psychologists or therapists, or you've ever heard of a psychologist, or you've ever heard of a therapist, they may have heard of these things. Automatic negative thoughts. And so I brought with me some pictures. I told you that I just did this assembly program. And I spoke in this school last school year. So some of you have already seen my assembly program, and some of you haven't. But I did a little bit of a different one the other day. And I'm going to show you a couple pictures that you may have already seen. And you've already seen as the person on my shirt. Rocky. Because when I was a little boy, I saw that movie. And I ran around my house. That's actually me when I was 4 years old. And I ran around my house because I wanted to be like that guy. Now, I want you to think in your head, I won a lot. And my picture would get put on the walls at schools and win different awards. And I started fighting, and it was awesome because there were really fun moments. Yeah, trading cards of this stuff. It's really fun. It's really cool. This is my team celebrating victory. Now, a reminder. I'm not showing you these pictures so you say, wow, you're so cool. No, that's not why at all. It's because of what's coming next. Because after all of these wins, all of these happies, I'm reminded that things knock you down. What knocks you down? And conquer automatic negative thoughts. So I told you at the beginning of this that idea, automatic negative thoughts, is a grown-up idea. It's a grown-up topic in things like psychology, right? In psychiatry, in therapy. Boring, grown-up stuff. But I read it. She would catch them, address them, and redirect them. Car. Catch them, assess them, and then redirect them. Right? So you have two words, ant, automatic negative thought, where you stomp the ants. And you have this idea of catching them, addressing them, and then redirecting them. And that's what we're going to talk about today. It's exactly what we're going to talk about. Their car. My sign looks terrible. Everybody thinks we'll do a bad job. Nothing is going right. It's all your fault. Now we'll never get our puppy. Right now, I, Charlie, know that you think I'm doing a terrible job. I know you think that. How silly is that? How silly is that? Because I don't know.
I think you're doing a great job.
Thank you, Beckett. That was very kind.
I think you're doing a great job.
Thank you.